What's up, guys, and welcome to my crib. Let's chat. So one thing that no one likes to do in life, and especially on the internet, is post their failures. And before I post this video, I have to be honest. I knew that moving across the country was going to be hard. I knew that this was probably going to be one of the most challenging things that I've ever done, but I had no idea just how challenging it was going to be. You see, I've always been the kind of person that just kind of makes it happen. And I don't know why, I just thought that moving to California would be just like those other times, that no matter what came my way, I would handle it and I would actually thrive. But that definitely has not been 100% the case. A lot of you guys, the first thing was Will. When I first moved here, I thought that it would just be a couple of weeks and he would be out here, but it actually took closer to like almost 2 months before he was officially out here. And that being apart was really, really hard on me. Another big struggle since I moved here has just been like finding my way. Simple things like directions or going to the store are just things that came naturally, but the West Coast is totally different. So getting used to the new rules here, things like a carpool lane and 2-hour commutes to work has just been a transition, to say the least. And of course, the sticker shock. Moving here, I knew it was gonna be expensive, but I had no idea just how expensive moving to California would be. And when I tell you that everything has costed us money, like everything, man, that's probably been one of the biggest stressors. Don't get me wrong, moving to California is still probably the best decision that I've ever made. It has just come with some challenges that I definitely wasn't prepared for. Forget all of the living expenses that come with moving to California, but moving across the country has been expensive. From paying for our travel out here, to paying for one of our cars to get shipped, to paying the down payment and rent for our new house here in California. It's been hard, and that's why we made the really difficult decision to actually wait on getting our furniture shipped for a few weeks just so we could save up a little bit more. And that's why I haven't made this video, because it's been a little embarrassing just not having furniture and not having stuff to make a house a home. And you guys know me, like I am a planner, I am a doer, and so this whole patience and waiting thing has been very, very hard for me. So please don't judge me when you watch this empty house tour. This will be soon followed by a furnished house tour. So now that our furniture is officially going to get delivered today, I thought that today would be the best day to finally do my empty house tour, California edition, in shambles edition. Because guys, I have been living in complete shambles. But I thought that now was the best time to take you guys on a little tour of my life in California.
So let's just get started at the beginning, you guys. I feel so blessed every time I look out of my kitchen window and see all these amazing fruit trees. Our landlord plants grapefruits, oranges, lemons, and limes, and now's the time of year that they're just starting to bloom. So every day we look out, we see beautiful fruit trees. How awesome. Let's go inside. So welcome to my home. As you can see, it's very bare in here, but this is our living room. We plan to put our big sectional in here as well as one of our TVs, and we hope this will be a really sunny and airy space.
This is probably my favorite spot in the house because look how spacious this kitchen is. I have never had a kitchen this big. At my old house, my kitchen was teeny tiny, so and I cannot wait until I have my little dining table here and all of my stuff to finally make this kitchen feel like home.
So here's a quick overview of my kitchen. Nothing special, but it's nice and big, and I love that. So when you leave the kitchen, you enter our den. And yes, there is a patio table currently in our den. It's kind of being used as our everything room for right now, but eventually we're going to turn this into a real den.
So if you move from my kitchen into the den here, this is kind of where we have set up our outdoor patio table for right now. This is kind of where we've been enjoying most of our meals for the time being until we get another setup in here. Hopefully we can get a little couch and a little TV behind me and it could be like a true den, but right now it's pretty bare.
Once you leave our den, you then walk down the hallway to our little bathroom, our little beach house bathroom. And yes, it's tiny, tinier than what I'm used to, but we're making it work.
Ignore all of his mess here, but of course he has a bottle of hot sauce in case he needs a little spice in his life, you feel me? But this is like Will's gaming setup. He has his little TV here, and this is where he puts all of his clothes and shoes, and clearly his dirty clothes that he can't pick up. Oh yeah, but this is Will's space and his little studio setup.
And this is our bedroom. Yes, we're still on an air mattress. And is it really your bedroom if you don't have at least 3 half-drinking water bottles next to your bed?
I'll be honest, there has been nothing glamorous or fun about sleeping on an air mattress with your significant other for like 7 weeks. But we're doing what we have to do. And if moving taught us anything, it's that you do what you have to do and you do better when you work together. So we've been trying to just stay positive and keep working together and doing what we need to do to live the life that we want to live.
Wait, I almost forgot to show you guys my actual favorite place in this whole house, which is our back patio or our backyard, whatever you want to call it. I can't wait to get some grass patches out here for Kobe, but my favorite part is definitely this clothesline for all of our wet beach stuff that we'll bring back.
I definitely cannot wait until we are able to get our patio table out here and chairs and just be able to relax and enjoy the evening and put some twinkly lights up and all of that good stuff. I have so many ideas for decorating our little beach house and making it super homey, and I'm so excited that all that planning can finally start tonight when our furniture gets here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick house tour, empty house tour, and that you will stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.